Hello, welcome to Loops of Life. Many people have been asking me one solution to clear most of their problems, to clear the hassles in their life, in the workplace, and also there are lot many roadblocks when they try to do something. One or the other thing happen, or at the neck moment when the things are supposed to happen and the things are supposed to manifest, and suddenly one or the other obstruction comes or hassle comes. Okay, so this is one solution what I'm going to give you all in this video. It's called as Ganesha Knot Magic, and this which actually make you clear many problems, 60 to 70% of your problems will be cleared with, using this ritual what I'm going to tell you in this video. For this ritual you would need one Lord Ganesha picture or an idol. Okay, if you don't have a picture or an idol, you can use it on your phone itself as a wallpaper, and you can use that wallpaper to do the ritual. And you would also need a lamp, an Indian lamp. If you are not staying in India and you don't have a lamp, you can use this tea light candle. You would also need a scarf or a dupatta or a handkerchief, but make sure it's either cleanly washed or new completely. Should not be used. If it is used also, you can wash it and use it for the ritual. Other than this, we would need a dhurva, which we call in Hindi and Kannada as a garki. If you don't have dhurva, you can use laddu or modak. You can either buy it from shop or you can make it at your home. Any laddu, any modak would do for it. So other than these things, you would also need one book and pen where you're gonna specify, you're gonna mention your intention very clearly. It has to be very specific. For example, I am saying I need a medicine. I need a medicine for my cough. So I'm saying I have a cough, I have a throat pain. I need a medicine to clear this cough and the throat pain so that I can get fine. So it is just kind of an example, and I'm giving you this. So you need to make sure that your intention, what you put, has to be very specific, and at the end of the intention you have to mention right now, immediately, because you don't want things to happen after 6 months. Praying now and happen it after 6 months or after 1 year. You want that intention to happen it very quick right now. Make sure that your intention are very realistic, because we all understand how realistic works, and it can be very short term also, so that you can see how it gets manifested. You can visualize and you can witness the magic of Ganesha. Either you can do this, you can go to a temple, you can visit a temple and do this, or if you want, even you can do it at your own home. If you don't have a temple at your place, at your own home, you can just take your phone, keep the Ganesha wallpaper and do this ritual. Okay, the only thing is that you need to have Lord Ganesha for the ritual. That's important, because we need an image. That's a patron where we start connecting. You need to connect with the divine energy. So how this ritual works? So what you have to do, you can do this especially on the Tuesdays, because the Tuesdays we call it as Lord Ganesha day. So you can use this, you can do this ritual on the Tuesdays. So once you're ready with your intention, everything, keep the Ganesha idol, Ganesha picture in front of you. You can take the dhurva. I don't have dhurva or laddu or a modak to show you. Imagine this is dhurva or laddu or modak, whatever is available. You're going to take this on your left hand. Okay, and keep this, and you're gonna keep it on your right hand, and you're gonna hold this near your heart chakra. Okay, and you're gonna say your intention 3 times. Please mention right now, immediately after the intention you put, every intention. So you are saying, I need to get a job of this position in this company for this much salary right now, immediately, forever. You are repeating this intention 3 times. After you repeat, you need to take this dhurva or laddu or modak and keep it in the feet, offer it in the feet of Lord Ganesha. If you're keeping the laddu or the modak, make sure you're keeping a small plate in front of Ganesha idol, and on that you're going to keep it. You can consume the laddu or modak, and if you're using dhurva, you have to make sure the next day you're offering the dhurva to the earth. Not going to throw it here or there in the dustbin. Okay, so once you're done with this, and you're gonna take the lamp, you're gonna take the lamp and you're gonna light the lamp with the same intention what you put when you're using dhurva or laddu or modak. Same intention you're gonna put, and you're gonna light the lamp. Okay, This is the second step. First step is this, okay, and offering. Second step is this, lightning, okay. After this is done, the dupatta or the scarf or kerchief what you have, okay, make sure you're keeping it throughout the ritual on your body. You're touching it to your body. Either you can wear the dupatta, or you can just wear the scarf, or you can just wear the dupatta like this, or you can keep the kerchief on your thigh, and you're using that. After this thing is done, you're gonna take it. Now I don't have scarf or dupatta, I'm gonna use this thread. What I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna take that dupatta, scarf or kerchief, and I'm gonna say the intention, okay. I am gonna say the intention what I had told earlier when offering durva, while lighting this lamp. I'm gonna say the same intention and tie one knot for this, okay. I'm gonna tie one knot, okay, only one knot. I'm gonna say this, and after this knot is being tied, I am gonna hold this knot, okay, whatever the dupatta, handkerchief or scarf you're using. I'm gonna hold it like this, same way, okay. Left hand down, it's on the top. It's not necessary if it is small or big, anything is fine. So you just keep it just like that, and again you're keeping it near your heart chakra, okay, and you're saying your intention, okay. You're gonna say the intention again, and you're chanting Om Gang Ganapate Namaha. You're gonna chant this mantra. Either you can chant 9 times, 11 times, 21 times, or 108 times, okay. You're gonna chant this mantra again. You're saying the intention. So not intention, chanting mantra, and again intention, okay. After you say this, you're going to keep this in front of Lord Ganesha. You're going to keep it in front of Lord Ganesha, and you're going to just sit and meditate for 1 minute, minimum of 1 minute. 5 minutes is also well and good, but minimum of 1 minute you're going to sit and meditate. Now you're going to take this knot from the Lord Ganesha, and you're going to keep it in your almari or in your drawer or any place, any safe place, any clean place, okay. You're going to keep it there. So remember, you cannot open this knot until unless your work is done. Once your work is done, you're going to take this out. You're going to take out your scarf or your dupatta or your handkerchief and remove the knot. Once your work is done, you are gonna remove the knot. Once you remove the knot, what you're gonna do, either on the same day or the next day, you can again either offer durva or laddu or modak to Ganesha and say, light a lamp and say thank you for manifesting my this wish, okay. Now there are rules for it. Now the rule is, when you're tying this knot, you're not going to keep it inside. You're not going to tell anybody about this knot, okay. You're not going to share it with anybody about this knot until and unless your work is done, okay. It has to be a complete secret about this. So you're going to keep this inside, and you're not going to tell anything about this to anybody, and make sure it is being hidden so that nobody can see it. That's the first rule. And the second rule is, you're making sure that whenever you're tying this knot, it is always with a clean cloth, which is the scarf or dupatta or a handkerchief. If you want, you can use it new one also. If you're using the old one, make sure you're not gonna have use of this dupatta for next like 21 days till this work is being done, okay. So within 21 days the work will be done. Now the last rule is, once you have done this knot, okay, you cannot repeat this again within 21 days. You have to finish 21 days cycle. Now it is like within 21 days your work is gonna be done. Whatever you have asked for, it will be done. Just in a case if it's not done, keep that dupatta there, okay, and you can do this ritual again with the same intention, with the same procedure for Ganesha, and keep it next to that knot itself, okay. Once, second time when you do it, once it is done, then you have to take out that dupatta, both the dupattas, and take it out, the knot, take the knot out, and make sure you're offering the gratitude for Ganesha. Offering gratitude to Ganesha is very important. First thing is that, and the second thing is untying this knot, okay. Once your work is done, you have to untie it. This work will happen. This is tried and trusted formula. Trust me, this will actually clear lot of your problems. Most of the roadblocks will be cleared doing this ritual. So you're gonna keep this as a secret, and you're not gonna repeat this within 21 days. Once it is done, okay? If you are a husband, your mother can do this, or your wife can do this. If you are an unmarried boy, it's only your mother can do this. Even you can do this, like a man can do it. If a man is not able to do it, his mother or his wife can do it. If a boy is not able to do this, his mother can do it, okay? For the girls, it's only you or your mother, nobody else. No, not your husband, not your father, brother, anybody. It's only you and your mother. For men, it is you, your mother, or your wife. It is you or your mother if you're unmarried, okay? Do this Ganesha Knot Magic and see the difference. Don't forget to share your reviews and your feedback with this, and let me know how did you witness this magic and how it has changed your life. I have lot of magic knots like this, rituals of magic knot. If you want, you can get into my workshop and learn about lot many of these things which can be used for different purpose. This is called Ganesha knot magic. We have prosperity knot magic, we have promotion, job promotion, we have for business, we have for factory, we have for money, we have for fame, we also have for weight loss. We have many of this which can be done. You can use this for various purposes, but if you want to know more about it, you can join the workshop of knot magic. And kindly don't call me, because I don't entertain calls and I don't like taking calls. I am available on messages. You can message me if you have any doubts. I will surely clear on that part, but this video is completely self explained, where you are able to understand each and everything about it. But I'm also sharing this video on YouTube, okay? Thanks to my international clients who have been asking me to make a video about it, because I was really fed up of answering every single person about this ritual. So it is a better idea. I'm going to upload this on the YouTube. You can watch it, you can share it with your friends, and make sure if this work has done, once you do this knot magic of Ganesha, and if your work is done, so what you can do is, like, once you offer gratitude to Ganesha, you can give at least 1 rupee, or you can give one food to one person on my name. That is energy exchange what we can do. And energy exchange is little important when we take certain things from somebody, some advice or something. We need to make sure we are equalizing the energy over there. So if your work is done on my name, on my behalf, you can just give one person food, or 1 rupee to one person on my name, so that the energy gets equalized. And please do make sure you're removing the knot after the work is done immediately. And if you have to do the knot again after 21 days, if you're using the same cloth, make sure you're washing it. It's either scarf or dupatta or the kerchief, whatever it is. Make sure it is washed and it is fresh again when you're doing this ritual. Don't break the 21-day rule what we have. It is just because any work, any intention we put to universe, we need to make sure that we are waiting for 21 days. That's the circle what is important in life. Do this knot magic, Ganesha knot magic, and let me know the results. Jai Ganesha.